Hello everybody, I want to show you what we did for Airflow Chicago. It's an air duct cleaning company that's located actually in Chicago. And they're doing not only air ducts, they're doing dry vent cleaning, HVAC service, wood cleaning, installation, chimney, etc., etc. This is a website we created for them. We wanted the feel of Chicago, so we created this nice header with the Chicago. We created this logo. Actually, we created everything in the website. We make it secure. We made it fast. We made it mobile friendly. When I'm talking about I'm talking about Geek in New York. We are Geek in New York. We are a team of experts that from actually based in New York City, but we have designer also in Israel, in Russia, Bangladesh. We have a team in New York. It depends on what we need to do. We do web design, SEO, social media, pay-per-click campaign. We are certified by Google, and we also won an award for All-Star competition by Google. Uh, so we certified. We have five-star reviews, and that's what we do. We take local business and make him big on the internet. We create for him nice website, as you can see over here. Very important us to the clients that coin inside this website. We know right away what we're doing, our services, and that we are a five-star company all over the board. And so we can be that he can feel the trust, and he also can check. You see the Yelp reviews, home rated. So that's why we are. So first of all, he knows which services we give, and more important, that we are every service that we give going to get 5 star, and this is how promoting, and this is how we make sure that clients that visiting on our website uh, will will call us. Will call this my client in Chicago. As well, you can see over here we set a coupon with a timer like Amazon style coupon base time uh, that push people another further to call us. Uh, as you can see, we have nice videos. The website is very interactive. Uh, the first contact us again, the 5 star reviews. We created video that keep people on the website because
If you're looking for a reliable
they can watch this video and then they stay another 30 seconds. It helps us very much with SEO, with the pay-per-click, and it's helped also to convert because people see with whom they're talking. We have blog over here. Um, it's a lot of pages. I want to show you what we did with the SEO. We're working with it like already like 4 months. Yeah. So you already can see the people that searching for, let's say, commercial dryer vent cleaning, dryer vent cleaning in Chicago area. We This is the rank, and this is a keyword, and this is where we're searching, and this is a location. So this pro rank tracker going to Chicago, this robot, this program, and searching on Google and let me know exactly where we are located. You already see we are in the top 5. The rank is where you're located. It's not page, it's actually rank. So this keyword has like, for example, dryer vent cleaning have 33,000 people that searching every month on Google for dryer vent cleaning, and we are number 1B. So it's like it's on the map. Um, the cleaning, etc., etc. You see this keyword number 1, the top 5 in Google. So you're getting a lot of hits, a lot of phone calls, um, and that's what we do. We are Geek in New York. You can call us for free consultation. Our phone number is 844 Geek-NYC or 844 433 5692. So if you need any website design, SEO service, I'm here for you. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day.